Add a third-party proxy in Multilogin shouldn't feel complicated. Here's a step-by-step demo about how to set it up. Let's first introduce you to Multilogin. Multilogin provides everything you need to manage accounts: cloud phones, browser profiles, and built-in proxies. Let's start with your workspace. This is your dashboard, your starting point for creating and managing profiles. In Multilogin, you already have built-in proxies with 3 options: residential, mobile, and ISP. This allows you to get started in minutes without the need to look for third-party providers. Residential and mobile proxies are best for flexible workflows. You get access to a large pool of premium IPs across many locations with built-in rotation options. Multilogin also allows you to purchase ISP proxies directly in the app. But if you already have your own proxies, don't worry. You can bring your own proxies to Multilogin. Let's see how to add third-party proxy providers to your mobile or browser profile. First, you need to create a new profile. We'll start with the mobile profile. On the profile creation screen, click Custom to open the proxy settings. Choose a protocol according to your proxy setup. Enter your proxy details. It contains IP or host, port, login, and password. Finish the rest setups and click Create to save your profile. That's all if you want to build a new profile with a third-party proxy. Now, if you want to change the proxy of an existing profile, click the 3 dots next to the profile. Be careful when changing proxy details, as this may affect stability. Pay attention to the proxy location and other settings. Click Proxy. Then, click Edit Proxy. In the window opened, click Custom. Change your proxy details. Click Update and your new proxy is ready to go. You can also click Check Proxy first to make sure the proxy details are valid. If not, please check with your proxy provider. But remember, changing the proxies for active profiles might affect the platform's behavior. Thanks for watching. With Multilogin, it's easy to manage multiple accounts. Stay flexible, use mobile or browser profiles, choose built-in proxies, or bring your own. Get started with Multilogin today. It's free.